What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Emeya S, the Lotus Emeya S that we have. As you can check, this is my favorite color, solar yellow, because this is the launch color. It looks absolutely beautiful and striking. Now let's take a look at the front LEDs that we have right here. Now these are the LEDs together with the daytime running lights. We also get the main headlights located underneath here. You got your openings for the air to flow through over there. Got some airflow to be happening down here with the air vents open for you to also cool down the battery. As well, check out the badging, silver and black, beautiful color to match the exterior part. There are a lot of black finishes here and there, as you can see. There are some cars that have the option to go in a full carbon fiber, but in this case, this particular unit, black, beautiful. Now, check out the top hood. You also get it in black as well, gloss black. You also have an option to go for carbon fiber. That is spec'd up option that you can choose. Now let's check out the wheels. Now these right here are 21-inch wheels, Pirelli tires. Check out the size, 265/40R21. These are drill disc brakes. You got your red caliper over there. You got this grey finish on the inside with them silver finishes on the outside. So it's beautiful. Black badging for your Lotus. Your LiDAR opening for your sensors right here. Your side mirrors are in black. You also have an option to go for it in camera if you wish to, but in this case it's basically a mirror. Check out the cameras. One, you have one over there, you got one over here, you got one over here as well. Beautiful design. Now this is the S, so therefore you get this chrome finish right here in the Emeya S versions. Now the door handles, let's check this out. The interior of this car designed a little bit differently compared to the Electra. You got your CAF speaker located right there, some leather finishes right here, stitching in grey. You also get this grey suede finish right here. Now the beautiful part about this car is that you get this carbon fiber finishing. It looks super sporty, I tell you. Electronic buttons to open up the door, windows. These are your, how to say this, your opening up the doors to become manual, right? Instead of electronic. You got your Emeya wording that's lighted up like this in this beautiful grayed out black. Stunning. Opening up the boot is here. We'll do that later. But check out the seats. Grey. Some little bit of fabric, leather, and I love this design that's on it. Can you see the design? That's something new for the Emeya S compared to the Electra. Well, let's check that out. The interior. Beautiful design, guys. Grey stitching, ACBC logo, massage seats, because the seats come with these two lines. So that's how you know if the seat has massage seats. But let's go on to the inside. Let's take a look. This is me sitting comfortably. Of course, I feel like there's too much of space. Check it out. Too much of space, guys. I need to be comfortable, but not that comfortable, so I gotta move forward a bit. Now, this is me moving to my favorite sitting position, I would say. Yep, it's already good enough. Right here. So you see, I can still lift my leg up, put it back down. Glove compartment, press it right here. Opens up, close that back. Check out me sitting down here. Grey seat belts, beautiful. So carbon fiber again, as I mentioned, check that out. Beautiful gear, parking, hazard light, drive reverse, all here. You got your climate adjustments that we have. Wireless charging for you to charge your phone. Key card can be here. Aircon comes out through there. Ambient lighting is also located around the all over the car, guys. Take a look. Take a look at the yellow. You can change all these sorts of ambient lightings. That'll be in a later video. Frameless mirrors. Your mirror right here. Passenger. That's how it look. Let's move to the rear. So let's open up the doors. Now this is the comfort seats. So of course executive seats are also available. Centerpiece will be another partition. But yeah, check out the speakers, right? So these are 15 speakers in the car, CAF as well, but 15. Because if you were to go for the Emeya in an executive seat, so 4-seater, that's when you get your 23 speakers. But check out the carbon fiber finishes, as I mentioned, window adjustments right here, CAF audio sound system, storage compartment, manual handle for the door. You get your leather finishing, grey stitching, suede finish, beautiful. Roof, gloss black roof, not an intelligent glass roof, but check out those lines that you get. Very sporty and nice. Now, let's have a seat on the back side to get a feel of what you guys will be purchasing. So you got some fabric finish right here. You got this grayed out metal finish. In other cars, it's gold, and depending on what color you choose. But in this case, the grey interior comes with this silver, kind of like a greyish metal black. So ACBC badging, some texture with some different design right there. Plenty of legroom. Again, check check that out. My hand is not even fully there yet, but yeah, it's like a lot of gap still. So amazing. Emeya black right there. You got some hook right here. Suede finish, Alcantara suede finish. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Center screen for you to adjust your climate control, radio, music, events right there. Centerpiece can walk through. I mean, you can just slide through. Check that out. Super spacious. This is spacious. Now, let's move to the center. Comfortably sitting right here, right now. Amazing. Check out the texture. Isofix, ACBC seats that we have. Beautiful design, in a way. Very nice design, guys. It's beautiful. So now let's move on to this side that we have. Before that, check out the front. Check that out, guys. Amazing layout. Amazing, guys. So opening up the doors, electronic button right there. Push that and we are back out. So driver side. Now let's move to this side. Leave the door open. Now let's check out the rear. Now this is a much more bigger wing, guys. Check out how big the wing is. It's my hand. Amazing. So you get your Lotus badging in chrome. The brake lights are all the way from there to here. I mean, the brake lights are naturally just here, but look at the rear tail lights. Sporty. Gloss black ray diffuser finish, all the way from left to right. Amazing layout. You also get your LiDAR, which is located right here, but in Malaysia, again, it's not really able to function just yet. So that's the carpet box, but we will leave that there. We will not touch that, but check out the space. You have some space down there to choose from. This is a shade that you can actually pull to close if you don't wish to let anyone see what's happening from the glass on the way inside of the booth. The seats, you're able to fold them down, but since we are doing that, let's just try and do that as well. Let's see whether I can do this on my own. Okay, and let me see. Leave that there for a while. So fold that down, just one will do. So you guys can see how much space you can actually still utilize to store things all the way in. Now this whole piece can come off, just in case you need to store something a bit higher, so that it doesn't block any boxes and whatnot. But yeah, let's put that back there. So we will put the seat back up in a while more, but in the meantime, check out the rear. And let's press that again to close down the rear boot. Check that out. I love how the lights just come on back again. Now let's close this particular rear wing. How do we do that? We do it from the front, right here, in the center screen. Just rotate, tap, touch that again, and we drop it down one level, or you can drop it down to the full level down. So this is how sleek and clean the car will look. Check that out. It's beautiful. Let's take one more walk around to show you guys how stunning this car looks, guys. Now we saw the front wheel size. Let's look at the rear. So again, 21-inch wheels. You got your drill disc brakes. You got your red calipers over there. What's the tire size? It is 305/35 R21. That's the tire size for this beautiful wheel that we have right here. Charging cap will be located right here. AC DC, 22 kilowatt, 350 kilowatt. Yeah, AC and DC power output. Check out the front. Check that out. Super presentable, super striking, super aggressive looking. It's a real monster. This guy is a real monster. You got to be here to experience this in person. But before that, let's check out the front hood to see what's hidden right there. Press twice. Raise that back up. Check that out. Clean, sleek design. I love it. Emeya wording right here. Pioneer since 1948. Same as the Electra as well. You can get that. Storage compartment to keep your cable, or you can keep some other stuff, totally up to you. Windshield washer, I'm not going to open that, but I believe so. This is the way you can open it. Yep, cool. Cool, nice. Amazing look. So, yeah, we'll close that in a while more. But just check out how sporty this car looks, guys. Once again, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Damn. Let's open up the rear boot. Show you guys again. Beautiful. Stunning. So yeah. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus, the car is located here at Glenmary. And you can meet up with any of the salespeople here once you're here. And purchase your brand new Lotus Emeya S. The color is amazing. I believe this car is waiting for you. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.